Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today video we are going to be styling open stitch polo in a nice way. Let me show you guys the polo. It's amazing polo as well. I can't wait to show you how they're gonna look because they're gonna look really cool. Look, the polo is amazing polo as well. We're gonna style it in a nice way. So my coolest people, my lovely people, let's go. What did I tell you guys? It's gonna be amazing. You see how it look? The polo is amazing polo as well. It's open stitch polo, cool. And again, we top here with the joggers on. I like the joggers as well. And again, with the chunky sole lovers, amazing. Everything just cool. I like the vibe. Very different, stylish as well. Very cool. You see the color. You see the way we're making love. Stylish, vibe, cool. You can go to anywhere you want to go with this open stitch polo. Amazing. Honestly, people will give you a compliment. I like the vibe. And the color is just cool, just vibing. Don't forget to press it with the iron. It's amazing. When you press it with the low iron, you can see how it looks cool, how great it looks on me. Amazing. It's gonna look really better on you if you style it the same way I'm styling right now. I like it. What do you guys think? Does it look cool? Yes, it does, and I like it. You try it, then you will see how it's gonna look. Let me turn around, check it from the back. What do you think? Does it look great? I like it. The vibe is there. Honestly, we can make any outfit, anything look cool, yeah, in Sharkcool style. That's what I'm saying. You're gonna be benefit from me as well if you come back for more, because it's gonna be something nice, trick, styling tips and hack as well. You're gonna take away. If you come back, you're gonna be amazing. You're gonna be cool, and people will give you compliment if you do the same way I'm doing right now. Or go and watch the preview of my video, check it, see the one you like, and style it the way you like to style it. Then you're gonna see how cool you're gonna look when you step out. People will be giving you a compliment. I like the vibe. I'm getting too much exciting because I like the color and the outfit just nice as well. Very nice, cool color, vibing as well. Honestly, everything just cool. What do you guys think? Does it not look great? I think I like this color. Amazing, very settled, very different. Honestly, I can go anywhere I want to go with this color and people will give you a compliment. And if you do so, they will give you a compliment because why? You deserve it. So why you not try it? Don't forget your bracelets, your wristwatch, put your bracelets on, your ring, your necklace. Get it on, get your hair done, do all nice stuff you like to do to your hair, cut it, braid it, do all kind of nice stuff and get ready. And again, don't forget, put nice perfume on, roll on, the one you know you like, smell nice, the one you know you can afford, put it on, and you're gonna look cool. It's affordable as well. And again, if you can get what I put it on, the one you have in your wardrobe, you have polo, you have jogger, you have trainings or chunky sole over, styling the same way I'm styling right now. If you can get the same color, start the one you have in your wardrobe, style it the same way I'm styling right now, and get out and see how people will be looking at you, because they will see you are great fashion sense and people will know you're good and they will give you compliments. So I like the vibe. So what you waiting for? You need to do the same way as well. I like the vibe. I'm getting too much excited, honestly, guys. I don't know why. Maybe because of the vibe. The vibe is there. You can see the way the joggers feel together with the polo, just cool. You see how stylish we're looking here. Amazing, amazing. And we're doing better. You two, you're doing better. We're doing better here. We're doing it together because we're looking great. You watching me right now? You're looking good. And I'm looking good right now. So what you have to do, let's try it the same way I'm trying right now. And you step out. Put everything together, get ready, and people will give you a compliment because you deserve it anyway. So my coolest, my lovely people, my nicest people, let's move on to the next one. You know why, guys? Because we put skinny, the straight jeans on. Amazing, I like it. And the jeans go cut there, so it's kind of different vibe as well. I like it, very nice. And we put multicolor Adidas on. Amazing. You can do the same way as well. If you have this kind of color, or you put red Adidas on or red trainers. If you don't have much exciting, I don't know why, the vibe is amazing vibe. I like it, honestly. It's just too cool. Look, does it not look great? It look great, and I like the vibe as well. Very nice, very stylish. Don't forget to iron it as well. If you iron your polo, you're gonna see how comfy it's gonna be looking nice on you. Very stylish, very cool, chill as well. What do you guys think? Does it look great? At the back as well, a little cool. This side, it look cool. The other side, it look cool. All kind of way. I like it. You can wear that one, and again, you can wear this one, different vibe. If you can't go away with that one, you think kind of big too color for you. Now you can see we put blue jeans on, straight jeans. If you can go away with straight jeans as well, you have baggy jeans, you can put baggy jeans on or skinny jeans. You see this kind of skinny but not kind of super skinny. But if you can go away with the skinny jeans, you can put straight jeans on or baggy jeans on as well. I like it. Very nice, very cool. The trainer is just cool. I like the way the color just cool. Very stylish as well. You can go anywhere. You want to go on a day, lunch, occasion, they invite you to. It will be very welcoming because they can tell you have a good fashion sense and you look kind of fresh, cool as well. Just iron it, press your polo, press it with the iron, get ready. Your jeans, if you get big creeps, press with the iron, press it with the iron. You're gonna see how come it's gonna look when you finish. It's gonna look really nice, and people will know you have great fashion sense. I'm getting too much excited, honestly, because when I check it properly, I see that I think it's looking really nice. The way I thought it is, it even look more better the way I thought it is when I put it on. It even more better, more nice. And when I'm checking, I'm looking, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling nice. And that's how you're gonna look. If you try the same way I'm trying right now, very nice as well. Any polo you have in your wardrobe, try it like this. Put blue jeans on, you're gonna be cool. I know you're gonna get blue jeans. Everyone on this planet have blue jeans. So if you have blue jeans, just put your polo on. If you don't have open stitch polo, the one you have in your wardrobe, if you look cool with the blue jeans, put it on. You're gonna be nicer. You're gonna be cool. Get your hair ready, looking cool. Put your necklace on. I like this vibe. I'm getting too much excited. I don't know why. Maybe because of the vibe I'm into. Oh, I like it. Honestly, guys, it's just cool color. Very nice. Very sexual as well. I can go anywhere I want to go like this, and people will be giving compliment because I deserve it. And you too, you deserve it as well. Why you not try it the same way I'm trying right now? Look cool. And the trainers just look cool together. Everything just nicer, amazing. I like it. What do you guys think? Does it look cool? Yeah, it does. And if you try the same way, people will give you compliment because you deserve it. Every day I step out, I get compliment. So you need to join the compliment club, people. So why you not try it? I like it as well. Weather is getting cool, getting chill, getting nicer, and you step out like this, people will give you a compliment because they can tell you are a great fashion sense. So why you not try it? I like it. So my coolers are lovely, people. Let's move on to the next. This is even more better, more classic. You guys can see how this look amazing with the flat trousers, very cool, and we put Cuban E so shoe on, looking guys, amazing. I like this, very smart, very cool. You see how we're making the open stitch polo look amazing in a nice and classic way. If you can go with the first one, the second one, definitely you can go with this one. I like this, amazing. I don't even know which one to pick because this is very even different. I like it, very cool. We put black flared trousers on, amazing, very cool, very stylish as well, very smart. I can go anywhere I want to go like this, and you can go anywhere you want to go like this, and people will give you a compliment because why? You deserve it. I like this vibe, amazing, very classic. Can you guys see how we make open stitch polo look in different way? Amazing. I like it. I'm just enjoying the vibe. Honestly, I can't lie you. The way he look, very smart. I'm feeling myself as well, like in a good, nice way. And if I step out like this, again, I'm getting excited. If I step out like this, people will give me a compliment. And if you step out like this, you're gonna get a compliment because I just like the vibe. Just put your shoe on. See, we put the wine red shoe on, amazing. Everything cool together. We put black flat trousers on, amazing, cool. Press it with the iron though. If you press your trouser with the iron, you're gonna see how calm it's gonna look. Very nice, and it will bring the outfit more, and it's gonna look really cool. This is a men's fashion, honestly cool. If you step out, people will know you're man, you're cool, you're stylish, you have different vibe, you have great fashion sense. Like this, I like it, vibing. I like it. I like it. It's just cool. I'm feeling the vibe because everything just looking great, looking nice. The vibe. Don't forget your bracelet, your wristwatch, your necklace. Just put it on. I like how you look. Honestly, you're gonna looking really cool. Just try it. Then you step out, you're gonna see how you're gonna look. People just gonna be seeing like, I think you look great. I like it, like it. You know, when I'm trying these, I just think they're gonna look cool. They're gonna look cool. I'm just using my idea, but when I put it on, it's another level. What I even thinking, I don't even know. It's gonna be even more amazing than the way I thought it's gonna look. Now, when I'm checking, I'm seeing it. I don't even see anything wrong. Everything just cool, smart, classic. And if you do so, if you step out like this, 100% sure you get compliment. I bet you. You just try it because whenever I step out, I get a compliment and people look at me smiling. I just know because I can tell what I put on is cool. And if you do the same way, you're gonna be cool, even cooler than me. And people will know you have great fashion sense. Honestly, I can't lie to you, the vibe is amazing. I like it. Honestly, very cool. Open stage polo, you can make it even more better. Anywhere you wanna go. See, people will just give us compliment. Anywhere we wanna go right now, we can go with this outfit. And if we step out, and people will say, "Ah, these people they're cool, they're nice." Look, and then look at you, your outfit is even speaking to them before you even said anything, and they will just walk close to you and just give you a compliment because you deserve it. I like this vibe, honestly. I don't lie, I won't lie you. I like it. It's just different. You know, when you're styling something, you feel like thinking, "Oh, that one cool, that one cool." But when you see something, you kind of see this one even a different level. The other one cool, nice, surviving. But another level, this one look. Me too, I'm feeling kind of like what's going on here? I think everything looking great. I'm enjoying it as well. Let me put my sunglasses on. You have your sunglasses put it on. Let's see. Hello. Amazing. Cool. Very nice. The vibe is there. When I'm checking myself, I'm feeling, does it look great? I think it look cool. What do you guys think? It look cool. I like it. The vibes, honestly, just cool. The vibe is amazing vibe. If you look at me properly, you're gonna see how great I'm looking right now. Amazing, right? Great, cool, nice. Honestly, oh, let me take these sunglasses down. Feeling like you don't want to put sunglasses on, that's cool. Just put it down. It's cool anyway. Your outfit is speak. Before you even said anything, if you don't want to put your sunglasses on, you don't feel like, don't bother. Just style it the same way I'm styling right now. You're gonna be nice and you're gonna be elegant, cool. People will give you a compliment. Let me try the toe bag. I think the toe bag is gonna even make it even more classic, more. Look at that, guys. Does it not look smart? It looks smart. This is what I'm telling you about the toe bag. It can make it even more smarter, more classic, more elegant. What do you guys think? If I post like this, it looking cool. Like this, oh cool. Different vibe, cool. I like it. This way, cool. Everywhere you want to pose, oh cool. I like it. You know the one you like most. The first, the second, the last one. Me, I like three of them. They all look great. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, again, Thursday, Friday. Can still looking fresh, nicer. Look, amazing. So I don't know. You choose. Go to the comment section. Let me know what do you think, and I'll be glad. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to the loved one, family, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you lovely people another day. Take care.